I'm Roger Hammett with PPG. I'm Territory Manager in the Southwest Missouri area. And today we're visiting with Les Blizzard, the owner of St. Louis Street Auto Body. And also with us is Aaron Buer, the account representative from Color Vision here in Springfield.
The future is kind of uncertain sometimes, and when you're planning a building construction and adding new booths and switching to a different product, changing some of your procedures, the way you prep cars before refinishing, it is a little scary. So it's nice to search and then find a couple companies that have processes already in place to help you with that. They help you with layout and design, the placement of your equipment, the paint booths, the mix room, the layout of the mix room, the product that they put in for us to use. They gave us a couple days of training away from the site, and the employees came back just very, very excited about the new product, ready to go with it. And then after that, we had a couple more weeks of technicians with us that just helped us with everything. Our processes and prepping, changed a few of those, changed some of our procedures from our technique of solvent to waterborne, and it was just all so seamless and worked so well that if I'd have known that months ago, it would have happened a long time ago. So very, very pleased with the final outcome, and just the safety net of PPG and Color Vision to provide the services for me, and not done yet. We have other classes, schools scheduled that technicians are going to go to, and we're excited about the future. Well, you talked about future training. I think marketing may be one that I need to see pretty quick because we've run out of work. The processes and the material and the booths that we have now have made our cycle time, our touch time, our touch time is twice what it was before, and the number of days that it's here are half. So now we're looking for work, and the thing is, we're not cutting corners, we're not cutting quality of the repair to achieve these. It's just happening with all the combination of product and equipment that we have in place. And so now sometimes it looks like we're a little bit slow when we're doing what we were before and more. Anybody that's been involved in construction knows that it costs more than what any kind of a bid could be, and you add a little more on and it's still going to cost more, and you're going to run into problems on the way. There's always something that's going to show up. So it was nice to have a really good foundation in the beginning of a PPG coming in with layout and design. My architect can build a building, but will equipment fit? Will the work flow through as it should? How should things be laid out for the most efficient processing of the vehicles that are going to be in the shops? So that helps a lot, and then they work so well with my architect as well to make sure that it all came together as one.
Seldom a builder understands the process of repairing a car.
Very true.
And therefore the planning and layout is very critical to you getting your bang for your buck or your return on investment.
Yeah, because they don't understand the building architect and the builder contractor doesn't understand the vehicle processes. He understands his industry very well, but doesn't understand ours. So we needed somebody to go between my industry and his industry, and we had that in PPG and their layout and design team. It worked very, very well. They measured everything. Everything was very accurate. And then we sat down with 2 or 3 different designs of maybe what we could do, and then they were able to just right before me say, well, let's just move this here or move this there, and we could kind of see how that would look, how it would fit in the building. Maybe a little bit of changing the workflow of how things go through the building itself and the equipment, and it was so great to have that to do the what ifs and just be sure that when we're done that it's the best that I could do for my building and my situation. Well, it's back to a partnership. I felt like PPG has been a good business partner for me. PPG and Color Vision, I feel, have my business's best interest at heart. And that's what I didn't feel with on my previous people that were supplying me, and that's basically what they were. They were a paint supplier, and that's it. What sets them apart is the value-added services. And with Color Vision, the technicians that they have and everybody at their place is very in tune to the industry. And that's all they do, and they do it very well. They don't have other interests, mechanical or whatever, to kind of divide their time up with. From everything I could find, PPG just kept coming out on top. And the other testimonials that I could come across, were that way. So.